All right, any questions?
Are you saying categorically then that Prakash is Fijian?
Well, I'm saying that the legal advice available to the government, based on all of the intricate detail and fact of this particular matter, is that Mr Prakash is, by operation of law, a citizen of Fiji. And as I say, the Fijians were advised some time ago, and we've been working with the Fijians, and we'll continue that relationship. Fiji, as you know, is an incredibly important partner on many levels. We respect the Fijians. We understand them, in a way that few other countries do, because of the history that we have together, and we'll continue to work closely with the Fijians. But the legal advice, as I'm advised, provided by the government solicitor to the Citizenship Loss Board, leaves us no doubt in relation to Mr Prakash's citizenship. Now, there is an appeal process that's available to Mr Prakash, and that's up to him as to whether or not he avails himself of that process. Ultimately, these matters can be tested in the court, which is as it should be, and courts can decide these matters, but the legal advice that we've relied upon, as I'm advised, is clear. The other point to make is that Mr Prakash is sitting in a Turkey jail at the moment. He's been there for some time. I think from memory the jail term was between 5 and 10 years. The Americans and the Brits and others, as I'm advised, have an interest in him as well. Prakash is not coming anywhere near our part of the world anytime soon. He's going to be in a jail cell for a very long time, and so he should, because he's been involved in some very serious criminal activity.
Is that advice based purely...
Peter Dutton there, the Home Affairs Minister, very firmly standing by his decision that the Islamic State member Neil Prakash should be stripped of his Australian citizenship. Queries were made after Fiji, a minister in Fiji was quoted as saying that he didn't have citizenship there and that wouldn't be able to go there either. But clearly, Peter Dutton checking all the facts. The Citizenship Loss Board went through the case and recommended it could happen, and Peter Dutton says yes, that's what he is sticking with.